Hi, Tim Bigham for Delta Derivatives, Option Hedges and Edges, powered by the best option scanning tools on the market, the RBTrader.com, and seeing a market that finally lost a little of that power. We've been stalling around, right around that 240 level on the SPY, the lowest volume days, the biggest level of complacency basically in about 50 years. All that changed yesterday as we saw that big time sell-off. VIX lifted up above 16 at one point, back around 14. Market off the lows, actually up as I look at it now. So at least for the time being, staunch that bleeding, if you will. But given the fact the VIX now is back in an area where option selling makes sense, I like selling out of the money call spreads here. I think on those big kind of growth names, value versus growth had really gotten stretched. I think the names like Nvidia, Tesla, Amazon, all the stocks that have those high multiples, now that the belief has been shaken, a little more fundamental look might come into play here. So using those all-time highs to structure the short call strike. So for example, on Tesla, looking at that 325 level, buying the 330 for protection out in June, regular monthlies. Nvidia, the same kind of thing there, looking at that kind of 145, 150 short call spread. And then looking on stocks like Amazon, somewhere around the 980, 985 level. And I think conversely, that Trump train, which has been absolutely derailed, might be time to look at those Trump stocks. U.S. Steel is one where we saw some concerted put selling over the past couple days. The stock wasn't too long ago approaching 40. Now it's under 20. So given the fact that steel prices have basically crashed, I think this is starting to look attractive for put selling here, kind of a hedge philosophy. So using the weakness and the high implied volatility levels, especially on U.S. Steel, selling the 18 puts, buying the 16 puts for protection again out in June. And just generally, I think selling iron condors on the indices, for example, the SPY, 240, 242 out in June for the call spread, 230, 228 for the put spread, just looking for the market to kind of remain in this trading range. Now it looks like we've seen the top, and it looks like they're always going to come in and rescue the bottom, given the fact that vol's up around that 14 to 15 range. Option selling finally makes some sense here. So until next time, as always, here's a good trading. Take care.